Portuguese side or the house side?
Sunod lang ako ng kumari.
Saan na le? Yeah. Oo. Yeah. Oh wow. Nice. Our Filipino fast food. Kenya. Filipino fast food. This is right along this river. It's nice. The bananas. This is actually better, I think. Bit more. This is one of the many fenders.
Mama, this is for that.
This one is for sale.
Pots and pans for cooking. You see all of this? This guy, I see him around before. He was up there. All Chinese cheap stuff.
Maar doe het niet meer. Ja, ik zie juist voor deze situatie. En hoe komt het zo?
I think on the computers I can figure like it. What is fish? Oh, how much you selling that for?
This one?
Oh, that's how you use it?
Yeah.
How much
try.
Can you hold on
They're
to my
cool,
camera?
They're cool.
You can point it towards.
Yeah, yeah. See, all sides and you know.
It's strong?
Yeah, of course. You can tell already right there. That's a wooden handle, wood handmade. Yeah,
How much you sell for?
$5.
Okay.
I bought almost $20 for that.
Really?
Yeah, I remember that.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy.
Okay. You take it. That's yours already.
Huh?
That's yours already. Take it.
I'll just put it inside here.
No, I know, but $50. You have small one.
No, that's all I got. You don't- you don't have
I said you
change?
have smaller one.
Oh. $5, kinda.
I gotta change it.
Oh my god, I feel like no, this before. Oh, yeah, I know this happened with my dude, but I know, yeah, I can.
I don't know. I bought this for $5. I don't know. I probably would have preferred it cheaper. Maybe $2 or just even $1. You said it too much, but it's okay. I'm gonna buy these two over here too. Baking soda. This is for my how much you sell for one of these? You want us $1 each?
Okay.
Okay, and then yeah, I'll get. How much?
Only one. I want to use one.
Oh, only one? Okay.
Give you $4.
How much altogether? To change? 40?
Yeah. $44.
Thank you, sir.
$6, yeah?
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
So I bought this thing for my back. I don't know, it's not a scratcher, but what are the vegetables? Bananas.
Pwede na find something for more.
Clothing, camouflage pants and jackets and you name it. Levi's pants. New 12 shorts. The shorts are $12. Nice. Mm-hmm. It's some nice stuff. Oh shoot, they're selling these, I don't know what you call it, but they look expensive. Yeah? Meron crack na yan. Broken crack na yan.
That's already. Yeah. There's the money there. Yeah.
And there. Film magat fast. Tayo sumatayin siya. Yan siya magat. Di mo itam tao ya. Fast. This is like much bigger, more stuff. I don't know what happened to the coconuts. No more coconuts. Oh, what is that for?
Cái các bác có lao ngủ đêm miếng ngồi trong một nước còn có đây có đây kim lông à con chữ à
Ini có tiền quá nó.
kim lông con chữ à
Nó như mày ngẩn không?
Đấy.
Không tin chụp kìa.
Okay. Súp nào vậy?
Sa sumbi mai ma benai enan konsen.
Yeah. That guy's the one that blew the whistle.
Okay.
This guy's selling shades, purse or wallet for $5.
You do today, sir? You got everything dollar clothes hanging here.
The clothings are $1?
$1. The ones hanging over here, all $1.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, this one here is, that's an antique.
These are antiques?
Yeah, yeah. This is our old. That's that was different, you know. That
Oh,
that one
these-
is $1, a shower head $1. Yeah, $1 for the clothes. Hanging, anything hanging here is all $1.
oh, these guys on a roll.
Never seen that before, huh?
I know, yeah.
That's unusual. It can go the other way too.
It's not really. Oh, could go the other way too.
Yeah. Can go the other way. You see this?
Makes it
stuff?
so much easier, you
You
know.
know, I mean, this is so old.
You know, sometimes I'm lazy to.
You know, I mean, you know, this
Yeah.
is for easy stuff. See that go? You see
I
that?
know. No, you're correct. Do you have any tips for this? What is it?
I don't sell a tip, just a Dremel. It's
Oh.
electric one, better than the better one.
Oh,
Oh well, this side is $2 and up. This side is $1. Okay?
these are $2.
$2 and up. Could be $5, could be $10, $20. $2 and up.
Oh, these are pretty good.
This side
too.
here is $1 here. That side there is all different, maybe $5. Yeah, that's Joe.
This one is-
$5. $5.
What is this? $10?
$5. $5.
Oh, nice. This guy don't mess around.
Any clothes is $1 here. That's a lighting power strip here.
What are these again?
A power strip.
Oh.
The kind, you know.
Oh, really? A
Yeah.
power strip, yeah.
Yeah, brand new.
Wow.
$10 on that one there. You know, you can plug in a bunch of things on that one there.
Yeah. You know those cables, the cell phone cables
Yeah,
and
yeah.
stuff? What kind you get?
You come take a look, my friend. You know,
iPhone?
iPhone and the kind of A kind. You see that A?
Oh.
You know, and they charge for maybe flashlights and all that.
How much you sell those for?
This one's all $1 each over here.
Oh, nice, nice.
$1 each.
The green one, the green cable, the green color cable, the green, yeah. What is that for? Oh, okay.
This is for
The regular. Oh, okay. Those
no,
are
the regular.
the mini.
The A. We call that A. Yeah, the mini one. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
This one's all $2 and up. That one get the price on top. I think that's $3 on that.
Good deal. Shades. Man, I'm thinking lunch right now. That was some Filipino food. Some pancit, banana lumpia, tinapon. So this is this old swap meet used to be up there. They just moved down into the parking lot. I thought they completely relocated to a new place, but it's not. They just moved down to the parking lot. Ooh. These are fresh food, I think. Bananas, sweet potatoes, I think. Taro. Cool. The guy's blowing his horn again. Ooh, I want to look into this stuff. Look at all kinds of stuff. I probably will just will get lunch. How much you sell the knife for? The knife. Oh, different knives? How much you sell them for? 15? You already sharp?
Yeah.
Oh shit, this is super sharp. I want to get this one. These knives are seriously sharp. You sharpen these?
Yeah.
I like this one.
And you was,
Is there a sleeve for it?
Just wrap it na. So it will be more safe.
There's no sleeve for this?
If
There's no sleeve, there's no thing to put inside?
no, yeah.
That's alright. It is so super sharp.
I know.
Yeah, I bought a knife. This is for my
Yeah,
garden.
yeah. Anyway, we'll just put it here.
Yeah, that's yeah.
I am the cashier.
She's the boss. She keeps just like me. I give my paycheck to my wife.
$5.
This is always beautiful. These Polynesians, they really know their handicrafts and stuff like that. They really know how to fix them.
But that is that style. Like what you're saying, that's like an old school way of doing it. It's the technique. It's a long process.
Beautiful. These are yours? Wow. I like this one. Aloha Cameroon. Kicking me off. Is that funny? That's very nice. Awesome. Welcome. Oh, it's very, it's very, very different. Pictures.
Oh,
Sorry. There's some nice ones. I want to get one of these for Nona and Numeros. These are for hula dancing. Yeah, all of these.
Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good.
What style you coming to?
I like the one with the brim is white, kind of big.
A big,
Yeah.
but the straw? Hat?
No, those. I don't know if you know. Yeah, the caps over here.
Oh, the cap. Yeah, still one side, one side.
Oh, just one. Yeah.
Yeah. But some have Velcro. You can make it small or big. Okay.
Oh.
Huh? Yeah, same. Okay, I give you. You want two or 10? Two. Okay, I give you 20. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you. Morning. How are you? I was just looking around. Thank you. Oh, they have the Micronesian flag too over here. Tongan flag, Philippines, Hawaiian. This one says cocky and loud. Badass rooster. Oh. You see this? It says badass rooster. Cocky and loud. Nice. You see all of these are good souvenirs. Something to buy on your way back home. You can $1 each, 7 for $5. I would buy some of this for my niece, for Nona and Mimiro. That one is. Oh, look at these. These are coconut. Make them real nice. This is what happens when you come to the swap meet. You can see find a lot of stuff. You can find a lot of beautiful stuff. Those necklaces, $2.50 each, 5 for 10. These are very popular for, souvenirs, something you buy when you go back home. If you visit and then you get to buy a whole bunch for $5, for 3. 3 of these. These are local made. So these are these are beautiful. Very cool. Look at this. This is popular during Christmas time. You can match up your uniform with any of these. Yellow, red, purple, black and blue, gray, brown. Oh, nice. I'm gonna go sit down. I'm gonna go look for something to eat. There's these things, you know, where people can sit. You're getting a massage right there. There's a bathroom. There's a bathroom right there. The music goes in the bathroom. Can't get any better music inside the bathroom. Yep. I don't know, sometimes the stuff they sell here is too expensive. Oh, they get the plate lunch right there.
You need drinks, sir?
I might get that. Get the ATM machine. Pork barbecue sandwich, chicken street tacos. I might get this, get the carne asada. Mexican food. Love this Mexican food. Doesn't say the price. Look at the ATM machine right there. I don't know where King is. I'm gonna go find her. Hot noodles. We're going home. It was nice, beautiful experience. Nice.
Kumbato yan.
Oh, jeez. Panakin ko na yan. Kamu harus nancing eh. Lani fushakin ko na kasuwa na siya. Ouch! Ooh. Yeah? Oh. What are you eating? Hold on. Gotta find our... Yeah. We gotta find our truck. Where's our car? Where? Oh, right there. Oh, right there.